Today we're going to explore an intriguing British idiom, red herring. Have you ever heard someone say something is a red herring? Let's dive into what it means and how to use it. Literally, a red herring is a type of fish. But in British English, the phrase red herring means a distraction or something that misleads you from the main issue. When someone says something is a red herring, they mean it's a false clue or a piece of information that diverts attention away from what's really important. Look at this example. I thought the butler was the murderer, but it turned out to be a red herring. See, in this case, the suspicion about the butler was a red herring, leading the readers away from the true culprit. So imagine you're watching a detective show. The main character thinks the missing wallet is the key to solving the case. Actually, it's a red herring. The real clue is the footprint near the window. So here, the wallet was a red herring, distracting the detectives from the real evidence. So next time you come across a distraction or a misleading piece of information, you'll know how to call it a red herring. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun British slang and idioms.